Historic Brooklyn Navy Yard's toxic lead paint transformation. The Brooklyn Navy Yard, a symbol of American maritime prowess, faced a daunting challenge: lead-based paint. One of its oldest structures, long abandoned and weathered by time, stood as a silent testimony to the complex environmental issues plaguing historic sites across the nation. The building's walls, coated with layers of lead-based paint, posed a significant health risk and potential legal nightmare for developers eager to breathe new life into this iconic location. In this episode, I bring to the forefront that as urban renewal projects gain momentum, the Brooklyn Navy Yard GEI case history number 17 exemplifies the intricate balance between preserving heritage and ensuring public safety. The challenge was clear: how to revitalize this massive structure without stirring up a toxic storm of lead particles or incurring astronomical remediation costs. Enter GEI with their long-term innovative green coating solutions. Their approach to this project wasn't just about covering up a problem, it was about pioneering a new standard in environmental remediation that could be replicated across similar sites worldwide. The benefits sought were ambitious. The developers needed a solution that was not only environmentally friendly but also addressed the pervasive rust and corrosion issues. They required a Class A fire rating to meet modern safety standards, all while minimizing surface preparation to keep costs manageable. Most importantly, they needed a long-lasting solution that would stand the test of time, much like the building itself. The global encasement system proved to be the comprehensive answer to these multifaceted concerns. Their RIP tackled existing corrosion issues head-on while preventing future degradation. The Prep-less primer and lead-lock topcoat created an impenetrable seal over the lead-based paint, effectively neutralizing the health hazard without the need for costly and disruptive removal procedures. This innovative approach not only met but exceeded the project's requirements. The green coating system aligned perfectly with modern sustainability goals, contributing to the broader fight against climate change by reducing the need for energy-intensive remediation processes. By encasing harmful substances rather than releasing them into the environment, Global Encasement's products exemplify how intelligent design can protect both people and the planet. The success at the Brooklyn Navy Yard serves as a beacon for similar projects worldwide. It demonstrates that with the right technology, we can preserve our architectural heritage without compromising on safety or environmental responsibility. This case study highlights the critical role that advanced materials play in urban renewal, offering a glimpse into a future where toxic building materials no longer pose an obstacle to progress. To sum it up, as cities around the globe grapple with aging infrastructure and the environmental legacies of the past, the lessons learned from this project are invaluable. Global Encasement's solution proves that innovation can bridge the gap between historical preservation and modern environmental standards, paving the way for a new era of sustainable urban development. The Brooklyn Navy Yard project stands as a new opportunity and testament to human ingenuity in the face of complex challenges. It reminds us that with creativity, commitment, and cutting-edge technology, we can transform our built environment to be safer, more sustainable, and ready for the challenges of the future. As we continue to address the impacts of climate change and environmental degradation, solutions like those provided by GEI offer hope and a practical path forward in our quest to protect our heritage, our health, and our planet. You may like this quote from Alan Turing, English mathematician, computer scientist, philosopher, and theoretical biologist. We can only see a short distance ahead, but we can see plenty there that needs to be done. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening and see you on my next episode.